hope you all are safe and healthy. This is Dr. Simran, and this is my first attempt where I want to share my views and experiences over the most frequently asked query that if you should learn German language before going to Germany or directly go to Germany and there join some language school. I usually get so many calls from my friends, juniors, colleagues, acquaintances, and relatives that what is the best way and how to start with learning the German language. So, I thought why not to share my point of view through this platform and give you an overview. So friends, first of all, this is one's personal choice. Here I will tell you the various options that you can choose from, and at the last I will share you what I personally feel is the best for you. Starting with the first option, the number one is to straight away join a language course starting from A1 in Germany itself. The language courses taught in Germany will be in German language only and not in your local language and not even in English. At times you are master of only few words which are not sufficient to clear the exam even when the course is about to end. Please note that some people may be okay with this method, and as I already said, this is one's personal choice. There is no hard and fast rule. Next is, which most people do, is they join language course classes in home country till A1 and A2. After getting A2 certification, it gets easier for people to live and survive comfortably in a foreign land. Thereafter, people join for further B1, B2, C1 language courses in German language schools itself. The point here to be noted is that the language courses B2, C1, C2, PKT are required for doctors only, and for others language course till B1 is sufficient. This is in general, rest depends on particular job profile you have opted for. The other method is that people will join language course till B2 in their home country. And then after reaching Germany, they will repeat all the courses all once again, starting preferably from A2 in German school. This is because some may say it gives better understanding by first translating the foreign language in their mother tongue. This helps beginners a lot. I find it as a better method because I can save more money while continuing my job in my home country and learning the language in my free time. Whereas when in Germany, I will be learning the language which will be translated by the teacher in German words only. So, for newcomers who are totally new to this language, it becomes frustrating as well as impossible to catch the speed of the course, and ultimately you end up wasting your money as well as precious time. What I completed A1 German language course as well as A2 from my home country and got certified in A1 in 2018. After that, I went to Germany the same year where I further pursued B1, B2 courses and directly attempted B2 exam, and I cleared it in first attempt only. At this point, I felt that I could have saved more time and money. I should have learned the language till B2 while in my home country only. In that way, I would have stayed in touch with my job field also. So, this is all in this presentation, and I hope it will be of some help to make your choices. And I wish you all the very best in future endeavors.